Hey guys, ToyBoxMagic here with you this morning, and we filmed a video with Monster Lab set last week, and we had such an amazing response on it. We had all kinds of people asking for more, so we decided to bring you another video with a Monster Labs demonstration. Last week we did Goopy, and this week we have Shriek here. So we're going to open them up, we're going to put them together, and let's get started. All right, now we've got all of his accessories right here, so let's keep those handy. His mouth, put those right over here. Oh, and here's his other hand that fell off. The back of this box tells us what he's going to look like after we put him together, so we'll keep that handy too. We'll lean it up against there. Okay, so first we open up it's sort of like Play-Doh, it's like modeling clay. And this is what we're going to use to make his body. So we open this up, and he's purple. Let's take it out. And we're going to start by shaping his body. And then we'll add all of his cool accessories, his ears, his eyes, his mouth, and he'll come together for us. So he's kind of shaped like an odd-shaped little ball. You guys can see that. Okay. And he's got some big wacky ears we're going to put on top of him. And, oh, a little tuft of hair. How cute. Okay. So shape our ball. We'll just roll him around. Okay. He's kind of got a wide base and a pointy little head. Okay. That looks about right. So we'll take his head. Let's start with his eyes. Or in this case, his eye, because he only has one. Okay, he's going to be so cute. And next, let's do his ears. And I think they go like this, because that looks like the inside of his ears, even though it's a different color than what's on the box. I think that's how he goes. Oh. Actually, I think you can put it either way you want. Okay, so we've got him like that. Let's do, this is his mouth next. And then we'll put his feet on. Once we put his feet on, he should be able to stand up on his own. Let's get his hands on. And the last thing is this little tuft of hair that goes right on top. And there he is. He's done. And he is so cute. There he is, all finished. Looks just like our box. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe at the bottom of this video. Tell us what you want to see, and we'll do more of it. Thanks so much. Hope you tune in again. Hey guys, ToyBoxMagic here with you this morning, and we filmed a video with Monster Lab set last week, and we had such an amazing response on it. We had all kinds of people asking for more, so we decided to bring you another video with a Monster Labs demonstration. Last week we did Goopy, and this week we have Shriek here. So we're going to open them up, we're going to put them together, and let's get started.